Your bad habits are not just wasting your time, they are quietly killing your potential. Every scroll, every excuse, every "I'll start tomorrow" is stealing your future. If you want to transform your life, you must kill your bad habits before they kill you. Bad habits are like parasites. They feed on your time, your energy, and your willpower. They trick your brain with short-term pleasure, making you forget the pain they cause in the long run. The truth? Every habit you repeat rewires your brain. And if you keep wiring it for laziness and distraction, that becomes your identity. The first step is awareness. Write down every habit that drains you. Endless scrolling on your phone, skipping workouts, eating processed junk, procrastinating on your goals, saying yes to things that don't matter. Once you can see them on paper, you can start attacking them. You can't just stop a bad habit. Your brain hates a void. You have to replace it. Instead of scrolling TikTok for 30 minutes, go for a 30-minute walk. Instead of smoking when stressed, drink water and do deep breathing. Every time you replace a bad habit with a good one, you weaken the old pathway and strengthen the new. Your brain runs on rewards and consequences. Right now, your bad habits feel rewarding. You need to flip the script, make them painful. Track the money you waste. Track the time you lose. Imagine the regret you'll feel at 50 if you keep going like this. Pain is a powerful teacher. Use it. Your willpower is limited, but your environment is unlimited. If you keep junk food in your kitchen, you'll eat it. If your phone is next to your bed, you'll scroll. Remove the triggers. Build an environment that makes bad habits hard and good habits easy. Tell someone your goal. Track your progress daily. When you know others are watching, you're less likely to fail. Accountability turns discipline into a game you can win. Bad habits don't just disappear. You destroy them one day at a time. Every time you choose discipline over comfort, you take back your life. Start today because your future is watching.